I want to make sure that everything that I said I'm going to do, that actually I do it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some quick tips on how to create a realistic vision board. I know. It's that time of the year and we all have vision and things we want to accomplish for the new year. So I thought I'll share with you my tips on how I keep track of myself and how I create a realistic vision board. So let's go, let's get started. First tip. Well, realistic, I think it means for you to be real with yourself. You have to know yourself. You have to know what you are capable of and what you already have on your plate, so that way you don't overdo it and over exude yourself. Like for example, I have a full-time job, I'm a mom, and I'm in school, so adding anything to my plate, I kind of have like to know where in my daily life I want to add those things. Oh my gosh, did that make sense? Babe, can you hear me? Did that make sense?
One hour later.
My second tip is you have to have a concept of what you want the year to look like for you. For example, this year I'm going to manifest everything I want to accomplish. My slogan for this year is faith over fear. I really do believe a lot of time we hold ourselves back because we are so afraid of the outcome. So this year I tell myself, what do I have to lose? So for me this year, I am going to make everything that I want to happen. So hopefully you can find something you want to make happen and make it happen, and consistently working at it daily. So this year I want to feel and be more grateful. So gratitude is one of the words that I actually want to be part of my daily activity, daily words. I think we get so lost on the what we don't have and what we need and so and we lose track of what's really important, and that's to be grateful, because no matter what it is or what it is, we always can find something to be grateful for. So this year, my word, I want to apply that word in my daily life, to feel grateful, to be grateful. I even going to start writing journals. So every morning I'm going to write 3 things that I'm grateful for and 3 things I want to accomplish by the end of the day. My third tip is to try something new. For myself, I'm very picky when it comes to food. So this year, I want to experience new cuisine. So if you guys have any suggestions, put them down below so that way I'll check them out. And my 4th tip is to invest in something. For me this year, I'm going to invest in my business, in myself. So I want to start my website and see where that goes.